Hello there, Amanda here. I wanted to sit and talk about what my channel is for and what you might come to expect from it. So far, all of my content has been homeschool related, and that's because that's what my life is about right now, predominantly homeschool. And because this new school year is starting, I figured that's just what I'm doing right now, so that's what I'd put out there. But it won't always be like that. So let's start with why I made the channel in the first place. I've had this channel for years and years and years, and I only started putting up videos a couple months ago. That's because I wanted to feel less isolated. I left my very close family a couple years back and moved halfway across the country, and I miss them. And on top of that, the world being the way that it has been lately, I miss them even more. I feel like if I can talk to a camera, to somebody, and just be comfortable with something like this, I don't have to worry about trying to make other mom friends, which is very hard to do. I don't have to worry about the fact that I am a stay-at-home mom and I don't get to go to work and make more friends. If I can do this, I can interact with my close family, or on top of that, make other friends. I'm so surprised at the response that I have received and the comments that I've gotten since I started doing these videos. It's a great place. So that was my original purpose for this, was just to reconnect with my family, I guess. I mean, the content I'm putting out there is not anything that they care about right now, but it's me talking, sharing what I'm going through and what I'm doing in my life, and I think that's enough. My sisters watch, so that's cool. Moving forward though, although it's mostly been homeschool content because that's what we're doing, I'm homeschooling my daughter, things will begin to change and there will be more different things coming onto the channel. Hopefully very soon, actually. I received a comment on a video recently saying that they'd love to see how I do DIY decorations, because I do that a lot. I create holiday and birthday decorations, paper crafts, because I've not really ever been happy with what's at the stores, so I make them myself. I get that from my mom. She would do that too. So I have some birthdays coming up actually, and I was thinking of filming that sort of content as well. The preparation for birthday parties, for holidays, and I don't know, showing people how to do it, how easy it can be, how fun it can be, give ideas to people maybe. So that should be coming pretty soon actually, because although the parties are not super close, I've never had to set up a filming area while I created these decorations, so I'm sure it will take longer to do than it has in the past, so I'm going to try to start earlier. I don't just do this for my daughter's birthday either. I try to give my services to people who need it or appreciate it or just want it, or I enjoy doing it, so people are just like, hey, will you do this for me? And I'm like, yeah. So I've done a baby shower, I've done birthday parties for my friends' kids and my sister-in-law's kids, my daughter, my husband, and I'm sure that it will continue to expand. I've done Christmas and Thanksgiving and Halloween decorations as well. The only party I don't decorate for is for my own. So that's content that I would like to put out here, because I know that some people don't have as much creativity to come up with the things that I could come up with, maybe. And maybe it would help somebody to have more ideas, or maybe just copy exactly what I'm doing. So homeschool and decorations. The other things being just general life stuff. Like I said, this was meant to be me reconnecting with my family. So if an event happens in my life that I think is pretty big and important, I think I'll make a video, and so that they have me telling them about that important event in my life. But it's been really great. I've been enjoying talking to everybody. The comments are fantastic. I don't know if I'm allowed to say this because I've never heard anybody else talking about it on YouTube, and I don't know if it's like some, like, you know, secret, but the back page of a YouTube channel has your analytics, and it tells you like trends in your videos and watch time and what videos are doing better and where people are watching up until, and then if they drop off and they don't watch the last part of the video, you know all that. Like, I can see when people stop watching a video, and the percentage of people that stay past a certain point, things like that. And some of the important things for a YouTube channel to really gain traction and to be successful are actually watch time in hours and subscriber count. I knew this for a long time because I've been watching YouTube videos for a very long time. So in an effort to help support some of the channels that I really enjoy, I would watch videos a lot, like the entire video, just to kind of show them that I was supporting them. Because when you only watch 15 seconds of a video, they only get 15 seconds of watch time. If you watch the video in its entirety and then click to another video, that looks better on them. So YouTube's like, oh, people are staying for longer on their channel and looking at other videos on their channel, we're gonna recommend their channel more to other people. So having a high subscriber count and a high watch time actually really supports people. I am weirded out when people say like and subscribe before a video even starts. I'm not gonna like or subscribe before I watch your content. What if you're a terrible person or super annoying, you know? So I don't do that. I'm not gonna do that to you. However, if you were interested in subscribing after watching this video, that'd be pretty cool. And watching videos in their entirety would be really cool. I mean, I sometimes will put a video on and just listen to it while I'm doing other things, and see that helps the watch time, even though I'm not watching. I don't know if I'm allowed to tell you these things. Are they secrets? I'm not sure. So I just wanted to sit down and give you guys an idea of what you might see here. It is mostly going to be homeschool stuff, at least right now. Once the holidays start to pick up, it's going to be a lot of that kind of decoration stuff. I have a Cricut machine and scissors that are going to hurt my hands like crazy, tapes and glues and stuff, and I will get all that out and I will start creating things. So I wanted to put that out there for you too. And I didn't want to surprise anybody when they came on the channel. They're like, where is the homeschool content? It'll be there. Just, you know, there's like a deadline when it comes to birthdays. So, thank you so much for watching.